This is how are you going to screenshot the sound setting. First, you go to Control Panel, then click Hardware and Sound, and then Sound. Then you will see the playback. This is the speaker. Then you need to screenshot that one. And then you can send it via Skype. Then go back, click the recording. This is the microphone. Double click the USB headset. And then make a screenshot. Then paste it again. Go back, click the communication, make a screenshot again, and send it to me via Skype. So that's it. That's how are you going to screenshot the sound setting. Thank you.